8 interesting facts about dogs that will make you smile. Number 1. Dog owners have lower blood pressure than non-dog owners. Number 2. Walking a dog is good for your heart. Number 3. Dogs can't see in color, only shades of gray. Number 4. Dogs don't like hugs from behind. Number 5. The origin of the word dog comes from God in Sanskrit. Number 6. A dog's mouth is more cleaner than a human's. Number 7. The first domestic animal was a dog. Number 8. Dog noses and ears can be used for temperature sensing.